about fungi, we are going to understand the characteristics of fungi. We are going to comparison between fungi and algae. Comparison between fungi and algae, that is similarities and differences. We are also going to talk about the classification of fungi. We are also going to talk about the economic importance. The life cycle, classification of fungi, the life cycle of fungi, and lastly the economic importance of fungi. So in regards to this, we're going to start from the characteristics of fungi. So when we talk about the characteristics of fungi, the first thing is that the study of fungi is called mycology. When we talk about fungi, we are talking about mycology. The study of fungi is called mycology. So under the study of fungi, we're going to study the characteristics. We're going to talk about the similarities and difference between fungi and algae. We're going to talk about the classification of fungi into different groups. We're going to talk about the life cycle of fungi. Then we're going to talk about the economic importance. How do fungi help our economy? So first of all, the characteristics of fungi. Fungi are mostly terrestrial. However, they can be found in aquatic environment. Few can be found in aquatic environment. So they are mostly terrestrial. They can be found on land. So they are terrestrial, organisms mostly, but they can also be found in aquatic. A few can be found in aquatic environment. That is their environment where they can be found, their habitat. Then when we talk about the characteristics of fungi, we're also going to talk about the nutrition. Fungi carry out heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So fungi are able to carry out heterotrophic nutrition because they don't have chlorophyll. Fungi are a group of thallophytes in some other way that don't have chlorophyll. So they don't have photosynthetic pigment, lack chlorophyll. They don't have any photosynthetic pigment, so they cannot they cannot carry out photosynthesis. So they have the ability to manufacture their own food they don't have the ability to manufacture their own food, but they depend on other organisms. So as a result of the fact that they lack chlorophyll, they are dependent on other organisms. So fungi can carry out heterotrophic nutrition. They can be saprophytes. They can also be a parasite and also a mutualist. So fungi can carry out nutrition using saprophytic means. Then it can also carry out parasitic means. Then mutualistic, that is in relationship with other organisms. When we say saprophytic, they feed on dead decaying organic matter, non-living matter. When we talk about parasitic, they feed on living tissue. Then mutualistic, they have a relationship with other organisms. That is the feeding. And the feeding in fungi is not that they take it into their body. They carry out digestion outside the cell, and they take in a digested product. That's how they carry out their own feeding. They break down the food extracellularly. They now take in the digested product. So that is fungi. That is nutrition. Then when we talk about fungi, the body structure, the morphology of fungi. The body is made up of mycelium. So when you talk about mycelium is the overall body, the way the body of fungi is planned. But this mycelium consists of fine filaments called hyphae. So the mycelium is made up of hyphae that are linked together, that are networked, that are connected together. Mycelium is made up of hyphae that are connected together. So the body of fungi is called hyphae. So when these hyphae are connected together, they become mycelium. So we have two types of hyphae on fungi. We have septate hyphae and unseptate or aseptate, septate hypha and unseptate or aseptate hypha. So when you talk about septate hypha, this comprises of hypha that are separated by cross wall. Cross wall. So on this hypha we have cross wall. You have cross wall. That is what is referred to as septate hypha. So they have cross wall. These are septate hypha. So the wall, they are partition that separate the wall, the hypha. But when we talk about unseptate hypha, it is continuous. There is no partition. That is unseptate hypha. There is no partition. So it is continuous from the beginning to the end. That is unseptate hypha. This is septate because there is partition, while this is unseptate. Or sinusitic. Sinusitic hypha. So that is the body, that is the way the cell of fungi looks like. Then when we talk about the structure, the cell membrane, the cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. This time around, not cellulose. Chitin. The cell wall is made up of chitin. So when you talk about chitin, chitin is just like cellulose, but it contains nitrogen. That is what the difference between chitin and cellulose. It contains nitrogen. It's nitrogen containing homopolysaccharides. That's chitin. So this chitin is also is similar to the one found in arthropod. So as a result of this, it provides strength, tensile strength to the body wall of the hyphae of the fungi. That is the work of this chitin. It provides, tensile strength, provides strength for the wall. So this chitin is what is found in the cellulose, is in the cell wall, not cellulose, but chitin. Another characteristics of fungi is that they store carbohydrate as glycogen. They store carbohydrate as glycogen, not starch this time around. So when fungi store carbohydrate, they store it as glycogen. Glycogen is their product. Then fungi are non-motile. They are non-motile. They don't move from one place to another. We have to understand the fact that so they are fixed in a position. Then fungi also carry out reproduction. They carry out both sexual and asexual reproduction. So when we talk about reproduction in fungi, they carry out sexual reproduction by gametangial contact. Gametangial contact. So when the gametes come in contact with each other, there will be fusion of gametes. Then they also carry out asexual reproduction or asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction occur by three means. Asexual reproduction occur by spore formation. They can also carry out budding. They can also carry out spore formation. Spore formation. Asexual reproduction can also occur by budding or budding. Asexual reproduction can also occur by fragmentation. Fragmentation. So fungi has three means of asexual reproduction depending on the group. Some fungi prefer spore formation, some prefer budding, while other ones prefer fragmentation. So those are the characteristics of fungi based on the habitat. They are terrestrial, nutrition, they are heterotrophic, they have mycelium, they also have chitin, store carbohydrate as glycogen, they are non-motile, they carry both sexual and asexual reproduction. So now we are going to continue from the comparison between algae and fungi. Based on these characteristics that we have listed, how do we compare algae and fungi? So let's talk about the similarities. First of all, we are going to talk about the similarities between algae and fungi. Similarities between algae and fungi. As you can see, we said that they are mostly terrestrial, but we also have few aquatic. But algae are mostly aquatic. So we see that some species, some algae and fungi are aquatic. Yeah, some algae and fungi are aquatic. So, just that the algae are mostly aquatic, then few terrestrial, while fungi are mostly terrestrial but few aquatic. Yes, but they still have aquatic, species. Then, when we talk about fungi and algae, their vegetative body is thallus. Their vegetative body is thallus. Vegetative body is thallus. And also, both organisms are eukaryotes. They are eukaryotes. They are eukaryotes. They have eukaryotic cells. They are not prokaryotes. They are eukaryotes. However, their cells are unicellular. Yes, they have unicellular cells. And their gametes, the union of gametes, do not form embryo. When the gametes come together, gamete union do not form embryo when they come together. They do not form embryo. And they also have aplonetic lifestyle. Aplonetic life cycle. That's another, similarities. They have half, nucleus. So when we talk about similarities between algae and fungi, they are aquatic, they are vegetative, body is thallus, they are, eukaryotic, and we said that they are unicellular. They are mostly unicellular. Then they are aplonetic, they have aplonetic life cycle. So what about the differences? Do we have any differences between algae and fungi at all? Yes, we have. So let's talk about the differences between algae and fungi. So when we talk about the differences between algae and fungi, we have the algae and we have the fungi. So when we talk about the differences between algae and fungi, while the algae are autotrophic, the fungi are mostly heterotrophic. So the algae are able to manufacture their own food by themselves because they have chlorophyll. But the fungi cannot manufacture their own food by themselves. They depend on other organisms, so they don't have chlorophyll. That's why they are called heterotroph. So number two is that the body of algae is usually unicellular, while they have uninucleate. Algae cell is uninucleate, while fungi cell is usually multinucleate. So it have more than one nucleus, their cell, while this one possesses just a single nucleus. Then another difference between algae and fungi is that while algae are mostly found in aquatic environment, mostly aquatic, while fungi are mostly terrestrial. Another difference is that while algae store their own food as starch, they store their own carbohydrate as starch, fungi store their own carbohydrate as glycogen. In the cell, another difference is in the cell of algae. Cell wall of algae consists of cellulose in the cell wall, while the cell wall of fungi consists of chitin. That is the homopolysaccharide. That means cellulose that contain nitrogen. So when we talk about fungi, we talk about the rhizome. Okay, the rhizome is lacking in algae. Algae don't have rhizoid, no rhizoid. But in fungi there is rhizoid. Rhizoid is present. Algae and fungi. So these are various differences between algae and fungi. Algae sometimes we have motile form. Algae can be motile, some are motile. But when you talk about fungi, they are non-motile. They don't move from one place to another. In algae, you can also have what we call alternation of generation. In advanced algae, those are the fucus, the giant algae. We have alternation of generation. They also have some alternation of generation, but here no alternation of generation. No alternation of generation in fungi. Where we have heterosis. So no alternation of generation. No alternation of generation. So those are the various differences between algae and fungi, and these are the similarities. So you can see that algae and fungi are different from each other. They are different organisms and they also have similar